So I was bound to comply. My lord, since my lord, Dr. Ashok's case, my lord, it was not the case at hand when my lordships dealt with Dr. Ashok's case. My lord, Dr. Ashok's case, my lord, with due respect, my lord, to my lord's dictum. My lord, in Dr. Ashok's case, my lord, a situation where a private complaint, my lord, is placed before a special judge, and my lord, if at all, the very case or the very allegations do not warrant sanction under section 17A, then my lord, how the special judge must treat the situation?
It was
my lord?
not why Ashok was written.
No, it is not, my lord. That is my contention.
In
It is
Ashok's
silent in that
Ashok's
regard.
case, what happened?
Please.
Prior to Ashok, there were 13, 14 cases.
Please, my lord.
Against public servants, they approached the competent authority seeking approval under 17A.
Absolutely.
It is kept pending or not granted.
Not.
Though
Please.
there are several
Please.
allegations of which would touch upon cognizable offense or corruption or whatever. Then straight away they used to approach the magistrate. Once the magistrate or the special court refers the matter for investigation, there is no choice but to register an FIR.
Please.
That is why here they don't get the registration of FIR because 17A bar is
Please.
there. They get an FIR straight away there. That is why Ashok was written, that approval there also would be required from competent
Please.
authority. Otherwise, the very section would be rendered negatory. That is the reason that was written. Yes, and that is why you have also applied for
No, my lord.
approval.
My contention is that, my lord, in fact, my lord, looking to the facts of the case, my lord, the allegations specific, not, my lord, warrant seeking sanction for section 17.
Approval. Approval is 17, 218 is sanction.
So 17A, my lord, the expression, my lord, in discharge of official duty or in connection to official
Even 197 also the same thing. 218 is 197, yes.
Now that very expression, my lord, in connection to the official duty or integrally connected to the official duty. My lord, in the instant case, if I take my lords to the gist of the allegations made in the sanction application. Just to attain little clarity, although facts
No,
are partly
extensively, yes.
on 20th/8/1997, there was a final notification.
92 preliminary notification, 97 final notification. Yes, 1997.
And I'm also not on legality of acquisition and.
That's what. It's all right, yes.
Now pursuant to this notification, but the ownership of the land, my lord, ownership and possession of the land stood vested with MODA.
MODA.
The revenue records from the year 1998 to 2004, my lord, would clearly denote this. Subsequently, my lord, on 30th March 2004, final award notice, my lord, came to be issued. Final award notice.
2004.
30th March 2004. Final award notice came to be issued. Lord, by 15/6/2004, there were, my lord, numerous sites that were formed and also allotted to the respective allotments, which is, my lord, forthcoming from the allotment register put up at.
Sites were also allotted.
Page 135 and kindly.
Yes.
Kindly page 135 and kindly. This is the allotment.
Yes. 135 of the writ petition.
Type copy of the allotment.
Yes. ಇವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ ಇದು
Complete full-fledged layout was
ಮಂಜೂರು ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನೀಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಕ್ರಯಪತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗಿದೆ.
conveyances were conveyances. Why, my lord, 15/6/2004?
Yes.
But now, my lord, I would travel I would again travel to 18/5/1998. Now, this denotification, my lord, was in the name of one Ninga, my lord, Ninga son of Javra. My lord, he was by then, my lord, no more, my lord.
Denotification ಯಾವಾಗ?
My lord, 18/5/1998, my lord. 18/5/1998.
Yes.
Lord, this denotification, interestingly, was 45 days after the issuance of final award notice. This may kindly be noted down. 45 days, exactly 45 days after the issuance of final award notice.
All right.
Now, my lord, Lord, it is for the legal heirs of the deceased person, my lord, in whose name the denotification was done, for them to reclaim the physical possession of the land, my lord. Lord, in fact, till date, my lord, till date, there has been no claim over the possession of the land. Till date, it remains the same. From, my lord, the date of denotification. The possession still vests with Moodam. Now, my lord, now coming back to 15/6/2004, my lord. Lord, there was any more, my lord, the Devanuru third stage, the Kesre Grama, my lord, which is the land in question, survey number 464, Kesre village. Lord, it ceased to exist, my lord, by the year 2004, as per the records. It ceased to exist because Devanuru Padavane came into the place. Because Devanuru Padavane came into place, which comprised of full-fledged layout, inclusive of roads, parks, sites, and other civic communities.
All right.
Now, my lord, as produced from the allotment register, my lord, by, my lord, 15/6/2004, there were numerous allottees, my lord, who were allotted these sites.
All right.
My lord, on 25/8/2004, my lord, 25/8/2004, a sale deed, my lord, came to be executed by one Devraju, who claims to be the owner of the land.
Of what land?
The same land in question, my lord. Now, here, my lord, although the Devanuru Badavane no more exists, he states that he is the owner of the said land in question, and he executes it. And he executes a sale deed. Although, my lord, Kesare Grama ceased to exist and only Devanuru Badavane is in place. On 25/8/2004.
Sale deed refers to Kesare Grama.
Lord?
Sale deed refers to Kesare
Sale
Grama.
deed refers to Kesare Grama. Sale deed refers to Kesare Grama, which is not in existence anymore, man. Now, my lord, in the sale deed, if my lordship may kindly peruse, at page 122, my lord, of the red petition. I'm sorry, my lord. First, my lordship may kindly peruse page 118, my lord. In the third paragraph, my lord, unnumbered third paragraph, if I may read, my lord.
Schedule nalli namudu.
Schedule nalli namudu ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಸೊತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಪಿತ್ರಾರ್ಜಿತವಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು, ನಮ್ಮಗಳ ಪೈಕಿ ಒಂದನೇ ಜಿ ದೇವರಾಜ ಆದ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾತೆ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದು, ತಹಲ್ವರವರೆಗಿನ ಕಂದಾಯವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಂಡು, kindly my lord, that may be taken note of, my lord, ಕಂದಾಯವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಂಡು ಆಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಮಾಲೀಕತ್ವ ಮತ್ತು ಹಕ್ಕು ಬಾಧ್ಯತೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ಸ್ವಾಧೀನಾನುಭವದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಸ್ವತ್ತಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. Now I invite my lordship's kind attention to the schedule, my lord, which is forthcoming at page 122.
Yes.
Here, my lord, another interesting aspect, my lord, which would emerge. If I may read, my lord, the schedule, ಮೈಸೂರು ತಾಲೂಕು ಕಸ್ಬಾ ಹೋಬಳಿ ಕೆಸರೆ ಗ್ರಾಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿದ ಸರ್ವೆ ನಂಬರ್ 464ರಲ್ಲಿರುವ 3 ಎಕರೆ 16 ಗುಂಟೆ ಕುಷ್ಕಿ ಜಮೀನಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ ಚೆಕ್ಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ. He makes 3 claims, my lord. He makes 3 claims. One is, he is alienating an agricultural land. Second is, he has paid tax up till 25/8/2004, which is the date of conveyance, my lord.
But by then sites were formed and allotted also.
That is our case, my lord. There were,
How will it remain agricultural land?
my lord, that is what, my lord, a non-existent land was subjected to a conveyance. It has been. And the third assertion, my lord, that he makes is that he had retained ownership and possession till 25/8/2004.
All right.
Lord, a non-existent land, my lord, was sold. Non-existent land was purchased. Possession, my lord, of the non-existent land was handed over.
Now, who purchases it?
Purchased one by Mallikarjunaya, who is none other than the brother-in-law of the petitioner.
All right.
Please. Now, my lord, the next development, my lord, 15/7/2005. 15/7/2005.
15/7.
15/7/2005. I may invite my lordship's kind attention to page number 136, my lord.
Yes.
Lord, this is an order of conversion, my lord.
Version.
Conversion order. Land, my lord, was fully developed. The Kesare Grama ceased to exist anymore. Now, the same land, my lord,
After this BM Mallikarjuna Swami
After
purchased it.
Mallikarjuna Swami applies for conversion. He applies for conversion.
Yes.
By order dated 15/7/2005, my lord, an application for conversion of a non-existing agricultural land was, my lord, filed by Mallikarjuna Swami. And by order dated 15/7/2005, my lord, the then DC, my lord, one Selva Kumar,
All right, it is, conversion is granted.
conversion is granted, interestingly, based on two field inspection reports, my lord.
Based on inspection reports.
Based on spot inspection report, please, my lord. By both by the Tahsildar and DC, my lord. Now, my lords may kindly peruse page 138, my lord. 138. My lord, this is the spot inspection report of the Tahsildar.
Hmm.
If I may read the topmost portion, my lord. ದಿನಾಂಕ 4/3/2005 ಕಸಬಾ ಹೋಬಳಿ ಕೆಸರೆ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಸರ್ವೆ ನಂಬರ್ 464 3 ಎಕರೆ 16 ಗುಂಟೆ ಜಮೀನಿನ ವಸತಿ ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಶ್ರೀ BM ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಎಂಬುವವರು ಭೂ ಪರಿವರ್ತನಾ ಮಂಜೂರಾತಿ ಕೋರಿರುವ ಜಮೀನನ್ನು ರಾಜಸ್ವ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷಕರು ಕಸಬಾ ಹಾಗೂ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಲೆಕ್ಕಿಗರೊಡನೆ ಸರ್ವೇಯರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸ್ಥಳ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತದೆ. Subsequently, my lord, another report, my lord, where the DC gives a report stating that he has visited this spot, which is forthcoming at page 139, my lord. Please.
DC also.
DC also, my lord. In fact, if I may quote, my lord, the DC one, Shri Kumar Nayak, is, my lord, presently the MP of Raichur district. Just for intimation, my lord, nothing more than that. He
What
also, my lord, he says that he has visited this
What
spot.
has that got to do? Yes. All right.
Now, my lord, I would once again, my lord, draw my lordship's kind attention to page 136. Once again, my lord.
Hmm.
Please. Illi, the third paragraph, my lord, unnumbered third paragraph.
ಅರ್ಜಿದಾರರಿಗೆ ಅದ
No, no. Mysuru Nagarabhivrudhi.
ನಗರ ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರ. Yes.
Please.
Hmm.
ಮೈಸೂರು ನಗರಾಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರದ ವಿಶೇಷ ಭೂ ಸ್ವಾಧೀನಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಪತ್ರ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ದಿನಾಂಕ 3/9/98 ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾಪಿತ ಜಮೀನನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರವು ಭೂ ಸ್ವಾಧೀನಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಈವರೆಗೂ ಅಧಿಸೂಚನೆ ಹೊರಡಿಸಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Lord, the notifications are before my lords. Now, the sanction is granted based on the ground that the land was never subjected to conversion. And, my lord, which lands, my lord?
The very same 3.16 acres.
Very simple. Kindly, it may be perused, my lord. The survey number, the village name, everything is identical, my lord.
All right. Next.
My lord, which lands, my lord, did the revenue officials visit, my lord? Probably my learned senior friend was referring to Wonderland, my lord. Alice in the Wonderland. But here, there is Mallikarjuna Swami, my lord. No Alice. But Wonderland exists. No, my lord. A conversion, my lord.
Land is converted.
Land is converted. Non-existing land is converted.
All right.
Not now, my lord, my lordship pointed out before my learned senior started. What is the role of the chief minister? Lord, see, petitioner, my lord, wants this court to believe that these, my lord, blatant illegalities were committed by the offences on their own volition or their own will and fancy. Is it, my lord, possible? Now, I would, my lord, take my lords to further developments. Subsequently, my lord, now we would travel to 2010, my lord, from 2005 conversion.
Then page 140 is
My lord, this is gift deed. Gift deed.
gift deed from
Gift deed. From Mallikarjuna Swami to his sister, who is none other than the wife of the petitioner.
this very land, 3.16 acres.
3.16 acres. My lord,
But
page
where is
140
the land?
There is no land. That is our case, my lord. Non-existent land has been subjected to multiple conveyances. Non-existent land has been subjected to conversion, that too upon spot inspection of the Tahsildar and the.
You only told me that 97 final notification,
Please,
33 final award notice.
please.
Then 15/6/2004 land is formed, sites are formed and allotted to everybody.
Please.
After that, all these things have happened.
After that, all these things have happened.
All right.
My lord, how
Mm.
could the revenue authorities, my lord, find and identify an agricultural land, my lord, to pass an order of conversion? My lord, these are the shocking facts, my lord, which emerge, my lord. Once we go further, my lord, there are even more.
Innovative.
That-
Okay.
Please,
Yes.
now I would take my lords to the gift